Hello students, in our previous video, we have learned how to solve the pair of linear equations by using the substitution method. As per this method, we first find the value of one variable, say y, in terms of the other variable, that is x, in one of the two given equations, and then substitute this value of y in other equation to get an equation in one variable. And finally, we solve to get the value of x and y. Sometimes it is cumbersome to write one variable in terms of other and then substitute in the other equation. For instance, have a look at the equations shown here. Solving this pair of equation by substitution method, we get x equal to 6000 plus 12y upon 27. As you can observe, the value of x in terms of y is already complicated. After substituting this value in other equation, the calculation will become further complicated. Is there any other way to solve these kinds of pairs of linear equations? Well, hint to solve such pairs of linear equations can be taken from real life. In our real life, if we cannot substitute something, we eliminate it. Similarly, in the case of linear equations too, when the substitution becomes inconvenient, we eliminate the variable. Yes, to solve such pair of equations, we use another algebraic method called the elimination method. In this method, one of the variables is eliminated by adding or subtracting the equations. Let's learn about the elimination method by solving problems step by step. For this, let's take two equations. Equation 1, 27x minus 12y is equal to 6000. Equation 2, 28x minus 12y is equal to 8000. Let's start with step 1. If need be, multiply one or both of the equations by suitable numbers so that either the coefficients of first variable or the coefficients of second variable in both the equations become numerically equal. As our equation 1 is 27x minus 12y is equal to 6000 and equation 2 is 28x minus 12y is equal to 8000. Since the coefficient of variable y are already equal, there is no need of this step here. Let's move to step 2. Add both the equations or subtract one equation from the other, as obtained after step 1, so that the terms with equal numerical coefficients cancel mutually. In this case, we will subtract the equation 2 from equation 1 because the signs of variable y are same in both the equations. Step 3. Solve the resulting equation to find the value of one of the unknowns. On solving, we get value of variable x is equal to 2000. Step 4. Substitute this value in any of the two given equations and find the value of other variable. Substituting the value of x equal to 2000 in the equation, we get the value of y is equal to 4000. Let's see another example. The sum of two numbers is 1000 and the difference between their squares is 256,000. Find the numbers. Here we want to find two numbers. So let us take one number to be x and second number to be y. We are given their sum is 1000. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 1000, which becomes our equation 1. Now, as per second condition, we have second equation, that is x square minus y square is equal to 256,000, which becomes our equation 2. Now students, we have to reduce degree of second equation from 2 to 1. That is, we have to make it linear equation. Therefore, we divide equation 2 by equation 1. On solving, we get x minus y is equal to 256, which becomes our equation 3. Now, since we have two linear equations, we use elimination method to solve it. Accordingly, add equation 1 and 3. Because sign of y is already opposite. On solving, we get x equal to 628. Now, for getting y, either put x in equation back or subtract both equation. By doing so, we get y equal to 372. Thus, two numbers are 628 and 372. So students, in this video, we have learned that it is not possible always to use graphical method or substitution method. In such cases, we make use of elimination method. Let us summarize the elimination method. Step 1. If need be, multiply one or both of the equation by a suitable number so that either the coefficients of first variable or the coefficients of second variable in both the equations become numerically equal. Step 2. Add both the equations or subtract one equation from the other as obtained in step 1 so that the terms with equal numerical coefficients cancel mutually. Step 3. Solve the resulting equation to find the value of one of the unknown variable. Step 4. Substitute this value in any of two given equations and find the value of other unknown variable. In the next video, we will see another algebraic method called as cross multiplication method.